Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Egg Malai Masala, which is a very creamy yet spicy egg curry. The creamy gravy is made with onions and green chillies paste, milk and a blend of spices. It tastes best when served hot with butter naan, green coriander chutney and onion salad on the side. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Grind the sliced onions and green chilies into a fine paste. Method. Heat oil in a wok. Drop in the cumin seeds and the curry leaves. Fry. Now drop in the ground onions and green chillies paste that we prepared earlier and fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the salt and the turmeric powder and fry well. Now add in the ginger and garlic paste and fry well until the oil separates. Add in the coriander seed powder, Kashmiri chili powder and the cumin seed powder and continue to fry. Note, the Kashmiri chili powder here is added to give color and is not too spicy. Now add in the milk and mix well and bring to boil. Add in the chopped green coriander, Garam Masala and dried fenugreek leaves. Make sure you crush the dried fenugreek leaves to release the flavor and the aroma. Mix and continue to cook. When the curry thickens a bit, add in the boiled eggs. Then turn the eggs over and cook on low heat. This is a good time to taste the curry and add salt and pepper powder as required to adjust the taste of the curry to your liking. As I said earlier, it's a very creamy, yet it's a spicy egg curry. Garnish with chopped green coriander leaves. And then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. So there you have it, lovely egg malai masala. Serve hot with butter naan, onion salad and green coriander chutney, or with any type of rice or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy! Tricky's Kitchen has a lot of other egg recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.